Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. It's been ages since we have met one to one. So here I am all back finally. And yeah, I am so sorry कि मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा था मेरी YouTube फैमिली के साथ बात करने में and न्यू वीडियोस एंड कंटेंट अपलोड करने में. So I'm so sorry for that. But I am back. We are back with a bang in this 2026. Actually, I wanted to post this video very early in the 2026, but yeah, so much thing was going on. So finally, but we are here, and I wanted to share my Hyderabad journey. I recently went Hyderabad to attend a proteomics conference, and I also presented a good poster in that conference. So yeah, we can start this new year, new 2026 with this Hyderabad vlog, a travel vlog, travel cum academic vlog I would say. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. Now I promise in this 2026 I will continue to upload new content, aesthetic content that you like. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started with this vlog. The airport now. I'm just waiting for my flight, sitting near my gate, and I'm super excited for the conference. I have kept my poster and yeah, I'm super excited. Dressed in a very formal shirt, and I'm so happy with the entire look. Reached CCMB and campus is so great, so beautiful. I'm going towards Wadi right now, so yeah. Okay, so finally done with the gala dinner, and the dinner was yum. It was so good. I tasted Hyderabadi veg biryani. It was so good. So we are going back to our stay, the hostel that they have provided. So yeah, I am so tired today because सुबह से मैं उठी 5 बजे की, and I am just keep going and keep going. So yeah, finally मुझे सोने को मिलेगा. ये So currently I'm in my room and finally मैंने change कर लिया है in my घर के कपड़े. It feels so good now. Now I can finally relax. So पूरे दिन का experience was so good. सारी facilities like this accommodation and the conference and the food, everything was A1. So enjoyed a lot. The lectures were great. And बस वही है कि मैं first day attend नहीं कर पाई unfortunately, but that's okay, next time. I'm now just gonna sleep and rest. And yeah, we'll go tomorrow again for the third and the final day of the conference, and then we'll explore the Hyderabad a little bit. So yeah, good night. Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine. I am all ready and dressed up for the last day of our conference. And yeah, the sunshine coming in my room is so awesome. Like it's the golden hour, I can say. And yeah, I'm just going to go downstairs for the breakfast, and then bus aayegi, and then we'll go to the campus for the last few sessions of this day. And yeah, so yeah, let's go and have some good breakfast. How cute is this? This is where we are currently staying, and this is very beautiful campus, I would say.
And apart from branched romanescence, several triangle threads and mutations that can occur, but we generally don't tend to measure them.
Okay, so we are done with the lunch, and now we are free to go anywhere. So I'm going for the sightseeing in Hyderabad. So currently I'm going to the Golconda Fort. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's go and explore Hyderabad. I am using the Hyderabad metro because the Habsi-Ghuda is the nearest, I would say very nearest station from the CCMB, and I'm going to Jubilee checkpost. So yeah, I'm quite excited to travel in metro in Hyderabad. Okay, so I have reached the Golconda Fort, and the fort is huge, quite huge fort. And surprisingly, मुझे नहीं पता था that Hyderabad is on the hills. So yeah, I'm quite excited, and I'm going to explore the entire fort because I have 2 hours with me. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so this fort is definitely the biggest fort that I have seen in my life till now, because this is gigantic, literally so gigantic. Perfect spot for pre-wedding shoot also. So yeah, the view is so awesome from here. I can see the entire city from the top of this fort, and still way to go to the Darbar Hall. So yeah. So we are at the top of the fort, and मेरी पूरी जान निकल गई ऊपर चढ़ने पे, but yeah, the view is worth it. Okay, so definitely enjoying my day in Golconda Fort, but unfortunately I don't have someone to click a good photos of me. So I am asking tourists like, please मेरा एक photo खींच दो, please मेरा एक photo खींच दो. And yeah, I'm missing the good spots of the best aesthetic place, and also my attire is also very formal, as you can see. But yeah, it's okay. Second time definitely I'm coming with my parents because I cannot miss this good place. Okay, so I reached this Dune Bar and Cafe. It is very popular in Hyderabad and it is all Egyptian themed. So I'm so excited for it. Let's go. I'm all ready and dressed up for the last day, and today I'm going to the Charminar and the Chow Mahal. It's very famous places in the old main city of the Hyderabad. So yeah, I'm quite excited for it. So yeah, let's go. The famous Nindra bakery, and I'm going to try the Iraqi chai. I'm so excited for it. Okay, so I'm currently at the Charminar and it's so beautiful. There is a long line for getting entry inside the Charminar, so I'm standing in the queue right now. And yeah, I'm quite excited. It feels definitely like the Teen Darwaza of Ahmedabad if you have seen it. The area around it, it's look like Lal Darwaza. So yeah, quite resemblance, but yeah, this is so beautiful. Okay, so we are going upstairs in the Charminar and it looks like the third floor of the Bhul Bhulaiya Mahal. Okay, so we are going upstairs. So I am done with the Charminar. So bye bye Charminar, and now I'm going to the Chow Mahal Palace. I'm really excited about it because the pics that I have seen of that palace is mind blowing. The chandeliers are mind blowing. And मुझे पता है आज संडे है तो जैसे यहाँ पे आज भीड़ थी वहाँ पे डबल भीड़ होगी. So that's why I'm going early there so that I can enjoy and roam around the place. Plenty of time in my hand. So yeah. So yeah, I'm quite enjoying the palace. Is very beautiful, very serene and very peaceful as well. So yeah, we are going to take a look around it. So yeah. This place is really great. The chandeliers, I am in love with them, and the darbar looks so pretty. The Meenakari, I guess, I don't know what is this, but the architecture and this whole entire carvings and all, so great. Got my photos done and developed. They are so cute. Like, I like this one. I look so, I don't know, funny. I don't know how I am looking, but yeah, I am happy with how these are turned out. So I am done with the Chow Mahal Palace and experience was great. I cannot explain, I don't have any words. So yeah, experience was great, and now we are moving towards the NTR garden. I am so excited for that also because I have seen the pics and it's quite good, amazing as well. I am a little bit hungry, but let's see what we can get near NTR Garden. So yeah, let's go to the NTR Garden. Okay, so I am currently at the Hussain Sagar Lake, and I would say that don't come especially for the NTR Gardens because it's kind of okayish. So yeah, but you can come for this Hussain Sagar Lake, as I told that this lake joins two cities, Secunderabad and Hyderabad. So yeah, and there is a good statue over there you can see. So yeah, you can come and visit in the evening time especially to enjoy the view of this lake. But please, like this is my suggestion, don't come especially for the NTR garden. Yay, going back to home now.